If there is such a wonderful product that can be applied to e-commerce automatic photo taking, product advertising photography, direct output white background photos, no need to make matching process, and it can also output multiple formats of 3D animation. Are you interested in? Now, let's look at this amazing product, AIS Automatic Image System. Studio is main part of AIS system, integrating lights and rotary table. The software is the soul of AIS system and responsible for controlling light, turntable, camera, image processing, and animation synthesis. The PC software is connected with Studio and SLR, digital single lens reflex, respectively through Wi-Fi and USB. Of course, it also supports the smartphone for shoot. Next, I introduce the software functions of AIS Automatic Image System. The first part that I will introduce is menus and toolbars. This part is about the shortcut tools for image preview, edit, saving settings. And the second part you will see is document management. As displayed in the video, our software will automatically set multi-level directory to store pictures and animation according to the shooting time and file name. To perform classification management on photos, we can conveniently operate these photos through right-click menu. The third part displayed in the video is the preview and editing area for image visualization. These areas providing a visual operating area for users on editing pictures. Now, let's move to fourth part, the control center of device. Control center of device has many functions. For example, we can control hardware devices including SLR, smartphones, turntable, and studio light. In addition, the camera parameters can be adjusted on a computer, and we can direct see real-time images in camera in a preview window, realizing real-time preview and shooting. At the same time, we can easily adjust light of Studio and built-in rotary table of Studio. You know, the lights we adjust can be saved and used next time. What's more, we can easily code a previously saved light configuration and do not repeatedly adjust lights. The fifth part is about automatic 360-degree 3D animation synthesis with one key. We only need to select the rotation direction of the animation and output the animation synthesis pressing one key. The sixth part is introducing animation frame editor. In this area showed in video, we can arrange photos in frame sequence and provide a frame sequence position to modify. Photos can be directly obtained from the camera, and you can also add photos from existing photo in your local hard drive. Photos obtained from the camera can automatically rank according to sequential shooting. From the introduction above, we can see the AIS system is very powerful and very easy to operate. Now, let's look at how to rapidly synthesis animation with a key in 4 steps. Step 1. Put the object into the center of turntable in Studio. Step 2. Adjust camera to AM gear, manual transmission, and manually adjust the camera to focus in on objects photographed. Step 3. Make image editing. In Step 3, add watermark and crop photos. As we all know, Metal Studio software provides tools for batch modification, such as batch image cropping tools, batch watermark addition tools, batch image color correction tools. We need to be able to facilitate the image editing, and many tools can be used. For example, we want to crop photos or animation to the size we need. We can use batch image cropping tool to operate batch cropping. Or we need to add a watermark to image and animation, and we can also use Metal Studio watermark tool to add watermark. And you can also set the transparency and zooming size of image in image watermark setting. Step 4. Click the Synthesis button to start shooting in Synthesis Animation. We can take 60 frames as an example. After camera takes the first picture, adjust 6 degrees of turntable and pause. Then camera takes the second picture. Adjust 6 degrees of rotary table and pause. Always repeat. Then camera takes the 59th picture. Then adjust 6 degrees of rotary table and pause. Then the camera takes the 60th picture. According to this way, 60 pictures are taken one by one. Now the software starts to automatically synthesize animation. As you know, our Mito Studio software can simultaneously synthesize GIF, HTML5, and Flash animation. After the synthesis of animation is finished, let's look at the animation effects of HTML5. Is it amazing? Is it very efficient? Yes, just in few minutes, a group of high-quality animation of products are outputted. From the video, we can see 60 photos used for animation are taken when an object is in a stationary state, which ensure each photo is high definition in white background. On the whole, whether the automatic output of white background photograph or synthetic animation with one key has greatly improved the efficiency of photographic practitioners. Wow, how the AIS system do this? Because AIS system has 5 major characteristics. The first characteristic is light source. Use ultra-high standard lamp beads in photographic industry, 5 independent adjustable brightness, in 0 to 100% infinite adjustment of the each brightness to realize light path surrounding control in multi-angle and precise brightness on objects. The second characteristic is colored spotlights. Control red, green, and blue bright LED are used for coloring and color temperature adjustment in small area. At the same time, 7 color shooting environment can also be created, which is essential for creating an atmosphere. Meanwhile, as displayed in the video, 360-degree metal holes design makes it possible to change the projection angle of color at will. The third characteristic is rotary table. It has 40 kilograms maximum load, high-precision programmable motor drive, and 0.05 degrees minimum step angle. Besides, its precision is high to ensure smooth and consistent animation. The fourth characteristic is alignment. It is unique patented technology. The industry's only support for the 3D imaging system by laser shaft alignment completely solved the place alignment of shooting object. The fifth characteristic is software. Software is fully integrated with turntable, lighting, camera control. It not only plays professional flexibility, but also provides one key synthesis, solving the user complicated operation extremely. In software, settings can be saved, so just choose the saved configuration next time, and the program automatically adjusts the lights in place. In addition, software offers light settings with varied scenes, which are set by experienced professional photographers and can be direct used. New photographer continually updates his experience and automatically download. Of course, in addition to the 5 major characteristics, there are many function designs that are easy to apply in AIS system. Support for smartphone shooting and production of animation. Software updates automatically and is free upgrading for life. The number of animation frames, frame rate, and compression ratio can be set free. Raw pictures in camera are permanently retained for future use or as original evidence. AIS era is coming. Look for the product, grabs the opportunity. and win in advance.